Hello and welcome back to the Leo English channel. I'm Leo Durin, and today we will talk about places in the city. Let's learn how to name places and say where we go in English. Are you ready? Let's go. Section 1. Vocabulary, places in the city. Repeat after me. School, hospital, park, supermarket, restaurant, mosque or church or temple, library, bank, post office, bus station. Section 2. Sentences about places. Let's use the words in full sentences. I go to school every day. My mother works in a hospital. We play in the park. I buy food at the supermarket. I read books in the library. My father goes to the bank. Section 3. Asking questions and answering questions. Let's ask and answer some questions. Where do you go on Friday? I go to the park. Do you go to the supermarket? Yes, I do. Is there a bank near your house? Yes, there is. What do you do in the library? I read books. Section 4. Short paragraph practice. Let's say a short paragraph together. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is. I live in. There is a school, a park, and a supermarket in my city. I go to school in the morning. I go to the park on Friday. I like my city. Example. Hi, my name is Fatima. I live in Herat. There is a school, a mosque, and a supermarket in my city. I go to school in the morning. I go to the park on Friday. I like my city. Now, pause and say your own paragraph. Section 5. Vocabulary Review. Today's words are school, park, hospital, supermarket, library, restaurant, bank, bus station, mosque or church. Great job today! Now you can talk about places in your city in English. Thanks for learning with me. This is the Leo English channel. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing. See you next time. Bye-bye.